1.
Download the Sims 4 mod constructor.
Find that in the description.
2.
Open Constructor. Type a name. Call it something. Click Create Mod. Click Python Settings. Either locate or download it. Then click Update.
3.
Click Add Element. Intermediate. Career. Create element. Close the window. 4. Call it something. Click the icon. Pick something. Select image. To make your own icons, the file must be 128 by 128 and a PNG. Close the window. Click the name. Enter the name of the company you want your sim to work at. Select if you want paid time off and for how long. Select the career type. Select who can do this career.
5.
Click Open Element Start Track. Write the description of your career level. Click the image and import one. To make your own, make it 640 by 332. Click the plus. Make your work levels and customize them. The time is in 24-hour time.
6.
Click Open Element. Check your files. Select Add Component. On Career Objective Set, click Create Component. Click Open Element. Press plus. Game Reference. Select Preset. Pick a task or trait. Add more if you wanna. Close the window. Do the same for all of the other levels. Back on the main page, to set a simoleon bonus, select New Element. Customize it. Select Open Element. Write a promotion message. Customize it.
Or bonus.
Select Open Element Value. In Promotion Reward, select a new element. Call it something. Paste my file in here and edit it to your heart's content.
Find that in the description.
Write in something. Call it something. Click Open Element Value. Add an icon if you wanna. Actor means your Sim's face will appear. Done! Export package. Now, test it. Ta-da! Paperboys everywhere.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.